Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will learn how to make your Wix website look great on all screen sizes. Let's get started. First, open your Wix website and go to the home page of your Wix account. Click on the Edit Site button to open the editor. Here is our current page. Click on the Preview button to see how it looks in desktop view. To switch to mobile view, look for the icons at the top corner of the screen for mobile and desktop views. Click on these icons to toggle between views. You will notice that some elements may not look quite right in mobile view. You can edit and arrange these elements as needed. Once you have made your adjustments, click on Preview again to check how it looks. You can switch between desktop and mobile view as often as you like. Finally, before publishing your Wix site, you can scan the QR code to preview your published site. That's how you ensure your Wix website fits all screens. Thank you for watching.